I wrote you a letter and oh now, wrote you a letter, wrote you a letter now.
Why didn't you warn me? Why didn't you let me know? Let me know. You could've let me down, slow it up, but you broke me on the phone. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter, nah, nah.